Browser. Browser is a piece of software used to surf the internet. Unless you have a web browser, you cannot access the internet world. We have different web browsers softwares in the market, like Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome. Here I am going to make you familiar with one web browser, Microsoft Internet Explorer. This is your Microsoft Internet Explorer. These are navigation buttons. Navigation buttons are used to navigate forward and backward in already browsed web pages. This is the address bar, and this is used to type URL of the website, for example, google.com, yahoo.com, etc. These are address buttons. Address buttons are used to refresh the web page, or to stop the navigation. This is your search bar, and it is used to search instantly, without going to Google website. Favorite is. Using this option, you can mark your website as your favorite one, so that you can navigate the website without typing on the address bar. These are Browser tab. You can open more websites in one browser window. Status bar. Status bar shows status of the web page. Here, I'm going to show you how to work with Microsoft Internet Explorer. Open Internet Explorer on typing website name in the address bar, www.yahoo.com. Press Enter key, or you can't refresh button. See, this is the Yahoo website. Here I would like to know about this article, so I'm clicking on it. Here you can search for any website. On typing, Microsoft Presenter key. And this is a search result of your Microsoft keyword. Click on this link, to go to Microsoft website. This is the Microsoft website. You can add this in your favorite list by clicking here. These are the navigation buttons, helps you to navigate previous and next web pages. Here I am adding Microsoft website in my favorite list. So I clicked on favorite button. Dialog box appeared, with the favorite name. You can edit the name if necessary. Otherwise you click on add, to add into your favorite list. You can open new tab, by clicking here like this. You can add new tab to your web browser. To view browsing history, click on Straight tab. Click on Today, to know what are the websites visited today. Similarly, you can find different days' browsing history also. Let's see how to download the file. This link having file to download. Click this link. File download dialog box prompted. Click on Save to download the file. Here you can choose the location to where to save the file. This is the download progress bar. The file has been downloaded in the selected location.